Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 508SW in the GT line specification. So this vehicle has full LED headlights, 19-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with speed limiter. The car's got some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around.
To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.